Organizing is not the answer. Decluttering is. I used to think I was just disorganized, but I was overwhelmed, overworked, and thought I'd finally get on top of things once I just got organized. Spoiler alert, my organizational skills weren't the problem. My clutter was. I simply had too much stuff, too much physical stuff, too many commitments, too many notifications, too many emails, too much student loan debt, too much on my schedule. Too much. No matter the amount of organizing I did, I didn't stay on top long. It felt like an ever-looming wave approaching me, and it took everything to keep my head above water at all times. I'm sure I'm not alone in having this feeling of I'm not organized enough, or if I only had more time to organize, then things would settle down. The world can seem pretty fast at times. It really doesn't slow down. But over the past few years, I've really felt like I've come out the other side of chaos. And in big part, thanks to intentionally adopting a minimalist lifestyle. I felt the relief of finally saying no to the things I didn't want to say yes to. I've been far more intentional with what I do commit and put in my yes pocket. The more I said no to the things that didn't align with my priorities or values in life, the more free time I had and the less I had to organize. The more I decluttered my home and cut my wardrobe down by 80%, the more time, money, and energy I had to pursue the more important things that I'd only dreamed of. It all started with decluttering. Getting rid of the things in my life, the things that fill my home and my schedule that I only held there out of obligation, either to someone else or to some view of what I thought society viewed as required. The more I downsized and decluttered, said no where I wanted to, freed up my calendar, passed on events I really didn't mind not going to, the more I could say yes to the ones I really cared about, the ones that pushed me further in the direction of life I wanted to head. Being overwhelmed and overburdened, it was never a problem of not being organized enough. It was a problem of me not wanting to step outside myself and seeing that I was surrounded by clutter, physical, mental, and emotional. Letting go and decluttering can be scary, but it's the only way we really question what we want and need out of life, what our priorities are, what we want to spend our precious time here on earth on, and who we want to be surrounded by. So say no when you need to, declutter where you can. And if you're feeling like you can't fit it all in, that you somehow feel behind in your own life, you might not be disorganized. You might just need to start decluttering.